the first animal trials is actually very promising. We were able to turn on the immune system of the mice, and so I'm actually presenting to the DOST this week to ask for money to continue to do the work. We already have developed vaccines against Wuhan, Alpha, Delta, and now Omicron BA.2. So we have vaccine candidates against all the variants. And I'm asking the national government, the Department of Science and Technology, to help us to test it in animals. But our first animal trials, which we got our results just a few weeks ago, are very promising because we did not even know if it would work as a vaccine in mice, and it does.
Father, after animal testing, pagka beer na yan, pwede na yan sa wag po.
Yes, Father. We are willing. We are willing candidates.
You are going to
document ko yan, Ed.
volunteer.
Document ko.
Para sa bayan.
Exactly.
So Father, teka, so you're seeing good progress there. Can you give us, or is it too early to give us numbers? Like by how much yung increase ng immunity?
No. So what we know, what we can see now is in our small animal trials, we had basically 24 animals, and we divided the animals into different groups, those that received the vaccine and those that did not. And those that did not had no immune response after 1 month, but those who received it, we had substantial antibody development in the mice. And since mice, their immune system is very similar to us, we are hopeful. It's promising data that in principle, this vaccine candidate can also work in primates. So we will have to now we will have to repeat this data on mice, and we have so many variants. We have to test the variants, and then at that point, I have to figure out how the Philippines would like us to proceed. It's your previous guest is the chair of the vaccine expert panel, so I have to prepare data for her and her colleagues to examine our vaccine candidate to see whether or not it will be eligible for human clinical trials in the Philippines. So I'm familiar with the American system, so I have to familiarize myself with the Filipino system and get the data that the Philippine government will need to make sure that our candidate is safe for human trials.
Timetables, Father. Timetables. Do you have a timetable ready? By when you expect to roll it out?
I know. Again, hopefully by next year we will have some stronger animal data. Again, it's a matter of trying to work through the bureaucracy in the Philippines.